Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to explain about Hadoop and big data. And also this video will cover all the details about its introduction and why Hadoop is so important and its benefit. So let me start with the introduction. The introduction starts with big data. You may have heard about big data. Let me tell you, big data is nothing but a large set of data. In any organization, we have a lot of data. So, so when the big data increases over time and we don't have any control on that, yes, we do have control using various databases, but we need data in the system to analyze the performance of the last year of the or for last 5 years or 10 years. So in those cases we need some software or some system to handle that, and Hadoop is one of that. So, and why Hadoop is important than the other systems? We do have other systems to handle this kind of data. So why Hadoop is important? So Hadoop is important. Its unique feature that distributed and cluster system. What does it mean? Distributed means Hadoop has a lot of parallel nodes and all are clustered, means together. So whenever there's any tasks assigned to Hadoop system, the system will distribute the inputs, and in that cases what happens, the work gets faster and you get the output first. And this benefit is not available in the relational databases. So these unique features of Hadoop makes it so important in the market, and this is why it is so fast and it is giving the output. And let me tell you some more features about it. you know in 2004, Google introduced a a logic that is called Mapreduce. So uh, by that logic Hadoop works generally. And what Mapreduce does, actually it is a parallel processing software framework. It is comprised of two steps. Map step is a master node that takes input and partitions them into smaller subprograms and then distributes them to work on nodes. After the map step has taken place, the master node takes the answers to all of the subproblems and combines them to output. And also let me tell you, this Hadoop is not a database system. It is actually it's a kind of a distributed file system where all the data can be stored and can be analyzed. So it is not kind of a database. It is a file system, and this is very important. And now I will come to the last part, you know that is, what is the benefit of using Hadoop. you know in the last few years back, when we had the relational databases, so we couldn't able to do the analysis on unstructured data. Suppose in the normally we work on structured data, but when it comes to image processing, so what will you do? And you have to use some logic, some structure which will identify the image. So Hadoop can identify the unstructured data. So this is one of the biggest difference between the Hadoop and relational database, is to identify the unstructured data, and also predictive analysis. And we do have a different models for predictive analysis, and we can use Hadoop in this place. As I told you earlier as well, data mining. So data mining is just finding the data, like as I told you, regarding unstructured data. And also nowadays we have the are bringing technology, that is machine learning, and machine learning can be related to Hadoop, and also Hadoop can be used for any IoT applications. So overall, overall Hadoop is one of the best file sharing system by which you can archive data and you can do analysis on that. And so this is all about Hadoop and big data. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.